Now the next constraint that I want to discuss is the unique constraint. And as the name says, you basically put a constraint on a column or on a set of columns that you want to be unique in the whole table. So let me just drop this table now. And I want, let's say, that the name to be unique. And you just put here unique. And now I'm going to create a table. And now I'm going to copy this value and put it here. And you will say that it fails. Why? Because it says, hey, I have a duplicate key value, which is a unique constraint course name key. Let me refresh this. And you see that it has created this constraint, which basically says this name should be unique in the whole table. Now let's say I want to have a combination of two columns. First, let me just drop this table, and I'm going to delete this, and I can type here unique and then specify the name of the columns. And now I'm going to create this table, and what this is a constraint on a table level. It's not on a column level, because I specify this constraint, hey, I want these two combination of columns to be unique. Now this should work now. Why is that? Because one and this character is not equal with 2 and this character. And if I type here select from course, you will see here that I have these two rows. Now if I am going to, let me drop this table and create it again, let me type here 2. Now this should fail because this combination is equal with this combination. And you can see here it has a duplicate key value. It says that the ID and the name, it's the same. And I showed you this unique constraint, which can apply on a single column, but you can also apply on multiple columns. Maybe you need this in your application.